You ever finish a day and realize the loudest hater in your life lives rent-free in your head? Same. That voice that says, "Why did you say that? You're behind. Don't mess this up." Today, I'm not trying to silence it. I'm going to use it. Hook. Problem. Switch. Let's go. First, the hook. Negative self-talk isn't proof you're broken. It's proof your brain is trying, awkwardly, to keep you safe. It spots risk like a smoke alarm that goes off for burnt toast. Annoying? Yes. Useless. Not if I tune it. Now the problem. That voice loves 3 tricks. Magnifying. You messed up. Therefore you're a mess. Mind reading. They think you're dumb. Catastrophizing. This tiny mistake will ruin everything. When I believe it, my body fires up stress mode. Heart rate goes up, focus narrows, motivation tanks. Then I procrastinate to escape the discomfort, fall behind, and boom, more self-talk ammo. Feedback loop. So how do I break it without pretending everything's sunshine? Switch time. I use that voice 2 ways, as a scout and as a coach. First, the scout. Scouts report. They don't judge. I catch the thought and label it out loud. I'm noticing the thought that I'll bomb this presentation. That tiny distance pulls me out of the story. Sometimes I even use my name. Okay, Alex, you're anxious. Then I ask the scout questions. Evidence. What facts support this? What facts don't? Scope. Is this about everything or this one task? Scale. On a scale of 1-10, how bad is this really in a week? Often I find a kernel of truth hiding in the drama. Maybe I'm underprepared. That's useful. Data beats doom. Second, the coach. Coaches translate worry into instructions. I take the insult and rewrite it as an if-then plan. If my brain says, "You're not ready," then I run 1 10-minute practice with a timer. If it says, "Don't mess up," then I define good enough. 3 clear points, 1 example. Done. If it screams, they'll judge you. Then I do a 2-person rehearsal or record a rough take and watch it once. I also add the power word, yet. I'm not good at this. Yet. That keeps the door open. A few quick tools I keep on a sticky note. Friend test. If my best friend said this about themselves, what would I say back? Say that to myself. Tiny next step, smaller than I think. Open the doc, name the file, write 1 ugly sentence. Time box, 15 minutes, no heroics. Start the loop. Replace I must with I choose because autonomy flips pressure into purpose. Here's the punchline. I don't need to be nice to myself 24/7. I just need to be useful. When my critic shows up, I thank it for the alert, extract the data, and turn it into instructions. Scout, coach, repeat.